on the way to get me DJI Osmo Pocket. Okay lang.
Lalagay ko na po ito ng extension.
Okay pa. Tatanggalin muna to, di ba yung? Tapos pa clockwise. Yung
Kailangan mo i-download mo ngayon.
face track. Oh, I see. Okay. Sa akin.
Video ba yan sa camera? Ay, video sa picture pwede? No? Pwede video sa kanan, no?
Mama, humilo ka.
Hi!
Ayan, so testing lang natin yung mic and naka-face track siya for today's video. Manong gadgets tapos ganito yung sinasabi. Okay folks, so I just got with me my baby Osmo and fortunately it came with freebies like this digital clock and the mouse pad. It's a freaking large mouse pad. Like, girl, I didn't expect that it would come with more than one freebie because usually kuripot yung mga camera stores pagdating sa mga freebies. Then, yeah, ibababa ko na yung mga gamit ko. Then, we're gonna unbox it here, like in my room. Okay, so this is the box. And we're gonna open it. It came in this carrying pouch bag. Actually, nung inopen na siya sa store, after ma-unbox lahat ng stuff na nandito, nilagay na niya lahat sa loob ng bag, which is very nice of them. So, this is the camera itself. Then, I believe this is the tripod. Yeah, it's a tripod. the battery pack that comes with the creator combo because I got the creator combo. And then next one is the extension for mounting the tripod here. And then we also have the mic. I think I separated the mic from the windscreen. But yeah, this is the windscreen that comes with the lanyard of the camera. By the way, I'm filming on my phone, which is an iPhone 12 Pro. And this is the Type-C to Type-C charger of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And by the way, I'm naming my camera the Osmo because I want to treat it like a pet, not as an object. Kasi parang kawawa naman. Tapos, ito yung first ever camera ko. Parang cute lang na may pangalan yung first camera ko. Although, yung phone ko can serve as a camera, but I just want to have my own camera because I don't want to exploit my phone for its features. Okay, so the main reason why I got a vlogging camera is because, as I said earlier, I don't want to exploit my phone. And with my phone, I typically edit on my iPad. But since matagal mag-airdrop, I wanted to switch to a camera para yung micro SD card na may adapter, pwede ko siyang i-transfer via SD card yung mga videos ko, then diretso na akong mag-edit on my iPad or my laptop because definitely mas mabilis mag-transfer via SD card gamit ang Type-C connector sa iPad or sa laptop. By the way, I actually got 2 cameras pero itong si Osmo ang unang dumating, and etong si Osmo, binili ko siya sa physical store. And yung isa pa na camera ko is a indoor camera naman, yung si Canon PowerShot V10. So, siya yung mas mainly kong gagamitin sa mga daily vlogs ko. While ito naman si DJI is more of pang mga travel vlogs outdoors. Basta hindi umuulan or, basta hindi sa beach because hindi siya waterproof. Pero, I think this would be great for travel, especially pag pupunta ng mga Europe, United States, or maybe you just want to document your travel life, like gagawa ka ng mga travel diaries. I think yung Canon PowerShot V10, dadating siya 3 days before my birthday because it says sa Shopee app ko na yung delivery date niya is September 23, but I hope it arrives earlier. So before tayo mag-sample shot with the Osmo, let's just remove yung tong mga yellow stickers. Dinikit ko talaga sa mesa. Kabit lang natin yung tripod. Hindi ko na na-film na kinakabit ko yung extension ni Osmo. Pero yeah. Tapos i-spread lang natin yung legs niya. Oh my god, that sounds so wrong. I'm so sorry. So now let's turn on our baby Osmo. Yeah, that's what she looks like. That's what they look like, yeah. On the screen. Pangit ko naman sa screen, pero ang oily ko sa screen, oh my god. Buti na lang hindi siya halata nung sa front cam ng phone ko. Charot! So, this is my voice without the mic ni DJI. Ano lang to, as in yung stereo mic, yung built-in mic na kasama niya. Then, we will try, sana mag-record siya habang kinakabit ko yung mic niya. Oh, okay, so this is the DJI Mic 2 connected and it says na there's 60% battery remaining. Tapos, ganito yung boses ko kapag medyo malayo na yung mic. Like, gantong distance. Tapos, try natin lagay yung windscreen. Okay, so, ganito na nga yung boses ko with the windscreen na nakakabit sa DJI mic. And ganito naman kapag medyo malayo. And I heard, well, not really heard, pero na-witness ko sa mga ibang creators na nagagamit nila tong DJI mic na pang ASMR, ganun. So, I don't wanna exploit this mic. So, I have other mics pa naman. And girl, mahal tong mic na to alone. So, I wanna take care of it. Okay, I just wanna mention na, oh, yeah, this is the face track enabled. Siguro naman naririnig pa rin ako, no? Pero, oh my God, I was so amazed nung nagsascroll ako dun sa iba-ibang shots na possible with this camera kasi may nakita ko may spin shot. Tapos yung spin shot pwede siyang either 90 or 180 degrees. Tapos, diba, pag sa video, ay pag yung sa may menu, if you wanna choose between photo, video, panorama, ganon. You can also choose kung gusto mo ng time-lapse, slow-mo, ganon. Pero, yeah, I have yet to try those features. I have one more thing na I forgot to try, which is yung product showcase mode niya. So, it goes like this. Oh my God. Kaya ko yon with just a pocket camera. Hindi ko na kailangan ng malaking camera para ma-achieve ko yung ganon. Like, girl, pwede to pang TikTok, pwede rin to pang YouTube. Everything. Like, tama ba yan? I think most videos don't mention na kapag naka-vertical mode like this one, ang pinaka maximum setting lang niya is 3K pag video resolution. Pero kapag naka-horizontal mode, ang maximum niya is definitely 4K. So, if you're gonna make TikTok videos, naka 3K lang siya. Pero, I don't really see the difference between 3K and 4K unless you're like a really camera nerd or a visual nerd pagdating sa ganon. So, yeah, pwede siyang, ganon.